Hello friends, welcome to my origami tutorial channel Craftism. Here I am going to show you how to make an origami rat. So please just sit here for a minute. Okay, so let's begin. Step 1. You need a 10 into 10 centimeter square paper or any other square paper for making a origami mouse, and you need to make just two diagonals from A to B and C to D and rotate this. Now make a kite base. If you don't know how to make a kite base, so just click on I button, and I uploaded the origami basics in which you can see the basics of origami. Okay, then make a kite base like this, and the point should be the sharp. Okay, and this is a tip, please use your thumbnail for creasing. Also here fold and crease, and same thing here. This down point, this both point up and down, this point should be the sharp. Okay, watch this part carefully. This is not a race, it's just for a fun. Now keep focus here, just here. This point should be sharp. Watch this part carefully. Pick this point and down and crease it like this. Okay, we get a use the finger. This is your tip, thumb. Okay, thumbnail. This is our mouse ear. Okay, same thing do from other side. Do this from other side like this. Okay, I think you can understand this. Now this point, pick this point and touch here like this and crease it. Okay, now we are going to making our mouse ears. Okay, now fold like this and fold, crease and fold. Okay, yes, very good. I think you can understand. Now fold the both corners. This point should be sharp, you know. Same thing this part. Okay, you see this line. Now fold it like this, but you have to take care that the ear of a mouse do not fold. Now we start work on ear of our origami mouse. Okay, this is our ears of mouse. Okay, very good. Fold and crease. Same thing from other side. Just fold and crease. Okay, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you like this. So please come back soon on our channel. Press on the corner, not whole ear, on just corner. I think our mouse is laughing. Yes. Ouch! He bitten me. Okay, now we make the ears. This is our two floppy ears of our mouse. Okay, now you can understand this. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, just just slap on the subscribe button. Okay, now we are going to just see on 90-degree angle. Okay, this is our mouse body. What? Just body. Okay, open this and press here. Okay, like this, and fold it inside. Yes, very good, you can do it. Press it and crease it. Yes, now we start work on tail of our origami mouse. Okay, just fold from front side and back side, and open it and press. Okay, please watch this part carefully. Fold this. This is our mouse tail. Also fold from here. I think it's look like a rat or a mouse. This is a tail. Yes, congrats, we made a rat with fun. If you like this one, slap on like, share and subscribe button. Okay, I think you like this. Just fold it from here. This is a very simple. I think you can understand it. Okay, if you like this video, so please come back soon. Okay, and also share and subscribe. Okay, goodbye.